Good morning, students. We can start with our topic real number. This is the first topic of class 10 and it is one of the most important topic. What do you mean by the real number? As we already know about that the rational number, irrational number, natural number, whole number, integers. So the real number means that it is a set of rational number and irrational number. Or we can say that any number we represent on the number line, it is a real number. So it is a group of all the number represented on a number line. So we can call it a real number. In that topic, we can start with the topic Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF. You already know about the HCF in previous classes. HCF means highest common factor. And what is the algorithm here? Algorithm means step-by-step procedure to find out anything. Algorithm means step-by-step procedure to find out anything. Why are we using Euclid division? Here Euclid division means we already know the concept like that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is very simple concept from previous classes, we know that. So by this, if you are taking dividend is equal to A, divisor is equal to B, quotient is Q and the remainder is R. So remainder satisfies this condition कि it is equal or R is equal to 0 or lesser than P. When it is satisfies this condition, so this concept is called Euclid division lemma. What it called? Euclid division lemma, and with the help of it we can find out the HCF. So step by step procedure is known as Euclid division algorithm to find out the HCF. Okay, fine. How? So take any two numbers A and B. Take any two numbers and A and B. Like that 210 and 55. We are taking two numbers. In the very first step, the number which is greater, like that 210, it is greater than 55. So 210 number is divided by 55. Okay, fine. So then 210 and 55 we are taking two numbers, and which number is greater? 210 number is greater. So 210 considered as our A, or we can say that it is a dividend. We divide that number by 55. Whatever the quotient? The quotient is 3 and the remainder is 45. So in very first step, we write that 210 is equal to 55 into 3 plus 45. After that, this is our simple step to find out the Euclid division lemma. We apply that Euclid division lemma in two numbers. In the next step, 45 is our dividend and 55 is our divisor. 45 is our divisor and 55 is our dividend, because we can divide 55 by 45. So write the next step. 55 is equal to 45 is our divisor, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 10. So in the next step, 55 is equal to 45 into 1 plus 10. It is like that A is equal to BQ plus R. But the remainder is not 0. So we continue that process again and again until the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, the divisor required is our required HCF. So 45 is divided by 10. And we can write in this step form 45 then again the remainder is not equal to 0, so we can start once again. The 10 is divided by 5. The remainder is equal to 0. So we can stop our process here. Remainder is 0 and the divisor is 5. So the divisor in that process is the required HCF. So we can write here the HCF of 210, 55 is equal to 5. This is our required answer. Once again, I repeat, what is the procedure? Euclid division algorithm to find out the HCF any two numbers. So we are taking here the number 210 and 55. The number which is greater, 210. So 210 is divided by 55. Whatever the answer is there, 45 is remainder, quotient is 3. We can write with the help of Euclid division lemma, 210 is equal to 55 into 3 plus 45. Then 45 is our remainder and 55 is our divisor. So 55 is again divided by 45. Then answer is our quotient is 1, remainder is 10. In that process, the remainder is not equal to 0, so we can continue the step. Then 45 is divided by 10. Then answer is quotient is 4, remainder is 5. Again, in this step, the remainder is not equal to 0. So we can start the new step again. The 10 is divided by 5 and the quotient is 2, but the remainder is 0. So we stop that process. We stop that process here and the divisor, whatever the divisor is there, this is our the required HCF. So this is one of the most important concept of class 10. As far as the examination point of view, it is very important. In this year, one question already from this topic also. Okay, thank you. Okay. After that, after understanding that Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF between any two number. So this is one of the two questions are there. Use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF 50 and 12. Use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF 35 and 10. By your